Guys, good morning. I'm so sorry I can't be there today. Harper's daycare closed due to the staff being sick, so I'm staying home with her. Um, Part of being a parent. So I know you guys will do great today, so I'm not concerned at all. So today what you guys are going to be doing is you are going to be peer reviewing your thesis statements and beginning your IRR graphic organizer. This week is a busy week, so plan your time accordingly. All right, so you can see this week is all dedicated to the IRR. Tentatively, our first draft of the IRR, I'm using air quotes, is due on Friday. We'll kind of play that by ear, but plan on that right now. Um, and we'll peer review Friday, and then your final will be due close to next week. Remember, for your thesis statement, all of your perspectives must be answers to the research questions. Super, super important. They've got to be parallel. I should be able to see the lens without, I should be able to play the guess that lens and know exactly what lens you're talking about. And it actually has to answer the question. Um, Remember, the perspective should lead to an overall answer to the research question. Your lens should be evident. Your universal truth is key. Don't use it as a throwaway, like, oh, universal truth. No, actually sit down and say, what is the bigger picture that pops out from my claim? And then the perspectives must reflect the lens. Okay, so I want you guys to break into groups of 3 to 4. Every person in your group should be from a different group because your group has, in theory, already seen parts of your thesis statement. You're going to present that research question and thesis statement, and your group members are going to play guess that lens. And if they can't, you need to get some feedback as to why they can't and what suggestions they can make. Either your perspectives are too vague, or something needs to be tweaked. But they should also check to make sure that it answers the research question. Have you at least taken a side, but you're not using negatively or positively or impacted or affected? We need to use really strong verbs, and then are the directions parallel? So that should take a little bit today. Once you've done that, tonight you're going to actually revise your thesis and start filling in your IRR organizer. You will turn in Schoology your research question, your original thesis, and your revised thesis, and then start working on your perspectives in the IRR organizer. Again, you're going to want to get a good start because I'm not moving deadlines for you guys. So you need to be on it today. Use the time to really shape that thesis statement up. If you might have a group member that says like you need to tweak your question, then you need to get back with your group and talk about tweaking that question. So make sure you guys are talking and communicating with each other. I will see you guys tomorrow. Send me a Schoology message if you have questions.